Hello there FlexuBot users! Welcome to another FlexuBot tutorial. In today's tutorial video, we are going to be diving into the sequence message settings. This is the part 11 tutorial video, so let's get started and dive right into it. So first, after clicking on the bot manager under the Facebook tools, head on and click on the sequence message settings, after which you will be greeted by two options: the messenger sequence and the SMS email sequence. For the SMS email sequence will be explained later on the video, on the next tutorial video, which is basically, to sum it up, when click on the list, you will be given the report to see all the users that have decided to click or subscribe to your SMS and email sequence. It will be discussed on our detailed explanation and tailored video for the SMS email broadcasting, which is over here. As you can see, the contact, the template, the broadcast campaign, sequence campaign, and opt-in form builder. If one of your users do subscribe to your SMS or email campaign, you could check the report and the data over on the sequence message settings and click on list. Heading on to our main topic for today, which is the sequence messaging. If you haven't yet watched our previous tutorial under the bot reply in the visual flow, part 1.12, we discussed and tackled how to create the messenger sequence under the flow builder. So if you haven't yet watched it, do make sure to watch it. Okay, so heading on for today's tutorial, we'll be creating a messenger sequence via the classic editor. Okay, you will then first need to be able to create a campaign name. Let's name this one. Okay, once you click on the default, it will directly allow you to create a new sequence. As you can see, for the sequence type, you will be given the option for custom, checkbox, send to messenger, m.me, and customer chat. Take note that the checkbox until customer chat will be explained after this tutorial video, which is over here, which is on the messenger engagement. You have the checkbox plugin, the send to messenger, the customer chat plugin, and m.me link. Okay, heading on back. Okay, click on classic editor. Do it again. Okay. If you haven't yet watched our previous tutorial, the part 1.12 under bot reply, it's pretty much similar to how to create the sequence messaging. You have the 24-hour promotional, which is a promotional message within the span of 1 day or 24 hours. Also, you have the daily non-promotional, which is in the span of 30 days or 1 month. As you can see. Also, you have here a precaution when using the daily non-promotional. Let's read it out. Use daily non-promotional sequence with message tag carefully. Message must not contain any advertisement or promotional material, and use appropriate tag that is applicable for sending message to those people. Using message tag without proper reason may result in block your page. Messaging option by Facebook. So do make sure to read our policy about this so that you could avoid your page being blocked by Facebook. And if you want to ask what is basically the reason for the purpose of the sequence message, is that it allows you to automate series of messages to be sent to your users at scheduled intervals, creating a seamless and consistent communication flow. This flow exists to automate user engagement by scheduling a series of follow-up messages. If you might be asking, why is it important? Yes, it's important because it helps maintain ongoing communication, nurturing leads, and enhancing user experience without manual effort. And that's just a quick explanation if you have any thoughts in mind. Heading on, for this tutorial, we will be choosing the 24-hour promotion. It's pretty much the same thing for what we have discussed on part 1.12 on our tutorial video under the bot reply. As you can see, you could send message after 30 minutes, after 1 hour, 2 hours, and 3 hours. If you want to deselect it, just click on select or select it so that you could not send the message after 30 minutes. But if you want to select 30 minutes and send the message, just click right back into it. Okay, you can click add more hours up to 24 hours, depends on your preference. And for the right side, you could create a promotional message by assigning an already pre-made or post back. As you can see over here, we have lots of templates that we already made. We could just assign it to a new one like this. Okay, and you could create campaign, and for the daily non-promotional, it's the same thing. You could set the start time when you want to start it within 1 day, and closing time same as the time zone, depends on what time zone you're in. And this is the message tag it is referring to over here. Please make an appropriate tag. Don't make unwise message tag without any appropriate reason, because you might be banned by Facebook and your page might be gone. Okay, once you have finished all of these, you make sure to create a campaign, and after you have created your campaign, go back, and if someone has decided to subscribe on your sequence messaging, it will pop up in this list. Okay, for better understanding about how to create the sequence messaging, do make sure to watch our future video about the broadcasting, okay, and our previous tutorial video about sequence messaging. It is under the bot reply. Okay, it is part 1.12, so do make sure to watch each and every tutorial video to better understand all the functions to maximize the capabilities of FlexuBot. Once again, that concludes our tutorial video for today. Once again, always remember to stay Flexu, stay exploring, and keep on pushing the boundaries. See you on the next tutorial video.